75 degrees in Central Florida here in Ocala. Just used a Lyft to go to a doctor's appointment. My wife has the car. You only need one car when you're 55 plus. And got that out of the way. Walked over and got a Subway sandwich. Called another Lyft. Took me home. Boom. I'm here in the neighborhood. It dropped me off at On Top of the World. We live in Wayborn Landing, so they dropped me at Sid's Coffee Shop right at the edge of On Top of the World, where public access or people on top of the world could drive their golf carts and get there. Big shopping center, Circle Square Commons. 75 degrees, guys. 75 degrees. The rest of the country's getting over Arctic cold front. And it's like 1:30. It's the 10th of February, 2026. Amazing weather. Just amazing. So if you've ever considered a move, I'm going to the mailboxes they have here. Thought I'd walk from Sid's to the neighborhood. So hey, I can get my mail. I know my wife has a package. We had the Alexa announcement earlier. So cool. Got a nice breeze here in Central Florida. We're in Ocala. Nice area. And yes, we did get the freezing temperatures briefly. Everyone got the freezing temperatures briefly, pretty much. So, I don't have the right key, do I? Yes, I do. Yes. I added mailbox keys to everything. So I've got the right key. Okay. Like, share, and subscribe if you learned anything about Central Florida. Bye.